Restarting your career in a new country, that too in a new sector, after a career break is anything but easy. I faced my share of challenges, and I'm glad that I took the right decision at the right time to upskill myself. This course helped me to restart my career in digital marketing after a gap of 3 years. Hi, my name is Smriti, and I am a digital marketer by profession. I am a mother of two beautiful children, and we live in Atlanta, Georgia. I got married and I moved to States in 2014. Back in India, I was working as a PR consultant. When I moved here, I got my work permit and I landed my first job here. That was in Comcast. It was a sales profile. I worked there for some time, and in 2018, when I was expecting my second child, I decided to take a break from work, and I was blessed with a daughter. So in 2021, when my daughter turned 3 and my son was a little older, so I thought now this is the time I can focus on my career. Things did not work out for me as I thought it would. I did my research and I realized that digital marketing is a growing field. I already had experience in sales and public relations, so I wanted to learn digital marketing. So I opted a professional certification program in digital marketing from Purdue University, offered by Simplilearn. This course gave me an understanding about SEO, social media marketing, web analytics, and email marketing. These courses are very well designed for beginners. The best part about this course are the live classes that keeps you on your schedule. Our mentor was very well informed about each topic. On the basis of my past experience and on my newly developed skill, I landed my first freelance project with a company called Contier Edge. This happened when I completed my certification. I am working with them. The best part about this job is it is remote. I can stay at home, I can be with my kids, and I can also focus on my hobbies too. Multitasking can be overwhelming sometimes, but if you have the right skill, you can get rid of all the obstacles that come your way.